People ask me, Penguin, why do you live in Antarctica? Let me tell you about the last time a tour group came to visit. This is where my trauma begins. Hello, Antarctica! Okay, calm down, calm down. I know that was just the wind screaming, not an actual audience. People ask me, Penguin, why do you live in Antarctica? Bro, you think I chose this? You ever tried booking a cheap apartment in Miami? Even with my permanent tuxedo, nobody lets me in. I am rejected by the HOA on principle. Rude. So, here I am, in the world's largest freezer. So, I am here by default, which brings me to the humans who choose to visit. The tourists. Let me tell you about the last time a tour group came to visit. This is where my trauma begins. They step off the boat like they're preparing for a solo mission to Mars. 20 jackets, thermal underwear, goggles, the whole 9 yards. You all look like overinflated marshmallows with commitment issues. Meanwhile, I'm standing here in nothing but feathers and self-esteem. One time a tourist asked, "Aren't you cold?" "Lady, I live in a freezer." My entire life is basically a TikTok ice bath challenge. I just call it Tuesday. And the comments. Oh, the comments. They step off and they're immediately pointing. "Oh, look at the cute penguin." Cute? Ma'am, I am a 4-foot fish-eating, ice-sliding ocean machine. Respect my drip. This isn't a petting zoo. Then this one guy asks, "Why do you wear a tuxedo?" I had to explain, "Gary, this isn't fashion. This is camouflage. I blend with the dark water and the white ice. It is survival. But yes, thank you. I do look fabulous." So the tour guide, let's call him Mr. Wildlife, he gathers the marshmallows and starts explaining our personal lives. And this is where it gets embarrassing. Then he says, with this soft, breathy voice, "Aw, when penguins date, they give each other pebbles!" Yes, we bring rocks. Romantic, smooth, shiny pebbles. If it glitters, I'm basically the penguin version of Drake. You think we're out here buying jewelry from Iceberg Jared's? No, we swipe stones. Your swipe-all-right is my perfect round engagement pebble. But the biggest lie Mr. Wildlife tells, it's about parenting. Humans, y'all were not ready. He says, Emperor penguin fathers hold the egg for 2 months with no food. The humans gasped so loud an iceberg broke somewhere. 2 months, holding an egg, standing perfectly still. No TikTok, no Netflix. No, honey, can you grab me a beer? Just vibes. Just pure, unadulterated dedication. Meanwhile, I look at the human dads in the crowd like, yeah, cry harder. Human dads hold a baby for 10 minutes and suddenly, I need a vacation. A vacation? Bro, we live in one big ice resort. You can take my spot. When I get a vacation, it's called swimming away from a sea lion. Of course, no penguin story is complete without the reason I can't relax for a second. Our natural enemy, the sea lion. These guys act like they're in Fast and Furious. Every time I dip a flipper in the water, they're like, "Grr, I'm big and scary." Relax, Vin Diesel. You look like a wet beanbag with teeth. And you smell like old fish. One chased me the other day. I swear, he thought we were doing a TikTok trend. I had to slide away and shout, "Buddy, this is not a duet. I just wanted a sardine, not a high-speed pursuit." And then, to cap off the trauma, a human asked me, "Are you worried about climate change?" Am I worried? My house is melting like an ice cube in a microwave. You ask me if I'm worried? The humidity is ruining my permanent tuxedo. At this rate, we'll all be migrating to Canada. We'll have to start a penguin hockey league. We'll call it the Antarctic Mighty Ducks. So, to summarize tonight's show, humans overdress, penguins overdress naturally. Humans give flowers, penguins give rocks. Human dads need naps, penguin dads survive blizzards with a baby on their feet, and sea lions, still jerks. But hey, Antarctica is cold, windy, even deadly, kinda like Walmart on Black Friday. People ask me, Penguin, why do you live here? And the answer is the same as it was 10 minutes ago. I literally can't leave! This isn't Delta Airlines! I don't have a passport! I'm stuck with you weirdos! Thank you, Antarctica. You've been colder than ever. And I mean that literally. Good night!